Welcome back to Travel and Fun. After a long time, we have come back, and we were getting bored, like being home all the time, and I was also busy with work. So today, very close to Madgaon, it's in Verna actually. So we have a colleague of mine, a friend of mine that I newly met. He's from HDFC Bank, and he suggested me this place that there's a beautiful spring or kind of waterfall, a stream here in Verna, and this is called Udear Springs. So you have a beautiful resort and all, some kind of resort hotel and all something.
It's a restaurant there. You can have your food with this waterfall.
Yeah,
down,
waterfall.
and it's between a kind of forest.
Yeah, you can say it's all forest around us. So to come here, you have to come around, like from inside the main road a little bit, like around 2 kilometers, and then you find this beautiful place here. And when we came here, there were a lot of people here, so they went upway somewhere. So we will surely go there and check out what's there to explore more. But this is a beautiful place to be in. It's really good. You have it very close to your home.
It's not dangerous and all.
Yeah, it's pretty safe. We'll show you just a moment. So this is the place, guys, you see. So you can actually go down from here, and you have stairs, and then you can go and sit over there. And this is the waterfall. See, Anu enjoying rain. Yeah? Like the place, baby?
Yes.
Cool. It's a good place. You can see a lot of people have come here already. You see, a lot of vehicles parked. But yes, since there are many people over here, so we thought of wearing mask and all. And if you come alone and there's no one, it's okay, can be safe. But be careful, guys. It's all slippery. During monsoon, it's very slippery here. You have to be very careful. You can see it's all very slippery. So just be careful. But it's really beautiful, actually. I think in way up ways to go. You see, like off-roading vehicles, or but not. I don't think four-wheelers can go. But yes, two-wheelers can go if you are pretty good. Come. Let's go upways and check.
I just wanna be happy. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Wonderful if you come here with a group. See, you can sit over there. People are sitting over there, having fun. Beautiful place.
But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
How's the place, babe?
Nice.
Like it?
Yeah. If you come with your friends, it's a number.
Yeah. This is what say you have to explore Goa. There are so small places near us, and we don't know. So there are fish here also.
And it's very neat.
Yeah. Water is neat actually. Because it's flowing water. See, it's coming from there and it's going. It's flowing water. It's not stagnant. and perfect. I mean, it's not very cold.
Like
So-
lukewarm water.
Yeah, lukewarm water, like so cool for having fun. And Atara, it's not so deep, see.
They all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
See guys, you can see people coming here with their family, with food, water and everything. So actually it's a good place to be in, but it's a bit crowded, right?
Today it's a bit crowded.
Today?
Vanil's family with them.
Yeah, it's a big family actually. They have come. You can see it's a beautiful place. Amazing. How's it, babes? Cool? Amazing place, huh? You liked it?
Yeah.
How was the place, Duff?
This was a very good place.
Yeah. Thanks to my friend, Kyle. Yeah. So he suggested me this place, and he also told me that there's a very good restaurant here, and I think the one over here that I see in front of me is that restaurant.
But now it is closed.
Is it? No. I think it's open. Yeah, it's open. So I think the restaurant is also open, and if you guys want to really have some good food, you can have it over here and enjoy your time here in this. I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe I would say it's Udear Springs. And guys, please be responsible. I stick things and all over here. Let's not make it. See, you can go here, but you have to be very careful. Very careful.
Are you going to do?
You have very less space. I will have to go without.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
This is so amazing. Just be a little careful. So it could be a little slippery, but it's really cool, da. Ivada vadikunda. Look at this, guys. Amazing. But it's like korchu flow undu velladina. Be careful, da. Come on that stone. Careful. വെള്ളത്തിൽ കഴിക്കില്ല. എടാ, look at that, so beautiful lake ഇങ്ങനെ കാണാൻ. Actually, if you come here to be wet, you can completely enjoy it. But since we don't want to become wet now, we have to go to the market.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Nature is giving us so much of beauty, and I think this water is going to that lake that we saw in maps earlier. We'll show you that place too, guys.
goodbye. They all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Amazing place, guys.
Yeah, it was fun. If you come with a gang of friends, it will be very nice. But the water level may go high.
Yeah, when it rains heavily, it
When
can
it
go
rains
high.
heavily, it can go high.
And I would suggest coming with a group.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that in case, God forbid, nothing such happens. But in case if someone falls in that pressure of water and all, you might need someone to help.
But it's not like you will go away from the water and all.
Yeah.
It's nothing like that.
It's not so deep and all. But during heavy rains, it could get deep. I'm not sure. But yes, good place. And the way.
And the water level is also till our knee, right?
Yeah.
Almost maximum till our hip, not more than that.
Yes. And trust me, the best time to come here in such places is this monsoon. I mean,
Monsoon, Goa is very beautiful during the monsoon.
yeah. And yeah, so and best time to come here is during the monsoon, because I know many people don't like Goa during heavy rains and all, but trust me, it's more than
It's
beaches,
beautiful,
party
it's
and all.
very clean,
Yes.
green.
Yes. So just come over here, be safe and practice safety measures and all, and try to keep others safe and yourself safe, and enjoy. That's it. Because now I think we should forget about this corona pandemic and all. Just be safe, practice safety measures.
You should not forget about it.
Yeah, you should not forget about
Keep
it.
it in mind like Corona didn't go away.
Yeah, it's still there, still haunting
Everything is
us.
relaxed, but this still Corona is there. So take your own safety measurements and
Yeah.
precautions.
Yeah, even the governments and all, they are all, they're opening up tourism and all. Just for the sake, just for the sake of economy, I would say yes for the economy, but also that people should start getting socialized now, because as I told you earlier also in our earlier videos, look at that place. This is beautiful. This is what I said. This is like what do you say? Like I don't know. In Google Maps it shows the lake.
So I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight.
So guys, we hope you all liked this short and sweet video. So
Yes.
if you're not going out, if you don't want to go to other places, fine, don't go, but at least you can explore the places near you.
Yeah, that's
That
what.
is safe.
So one of my colleague, as I told you, from HDFC, he told me that there's a good place nearby in Verna. So I work at this Verna Industrial Estate in Goa.
He is working here for past 2 years and he didn't
we
know
didn't know,
about
we
this
didn't know.
place.
This is the benefit, and I would say, of having good Goan friends. So another friend of mine, Anurag and all, they used to tell me another good places because they have been in Goa since years. So this is the benefit of having Goan friends. Exploit Goan friends, guys. Get all the places that you can. Offbeat places are very good in Goa. Beaches and all.
More than beaches, yes, beaches are also good. Partying is also
But they're very
good.
common, Beaches and all are very common.
But people like us who don't like partying or like clubbing,
Frankly, we are not party people.
this is the place for you. Goa is a very calm and beautiful place.
Yes.
I even think of settling down here.
Yeah, see, now earlier Anu used to say that she didn't like Goa, it's so calm, it's so boring and all. But now she's thinking of settling down in Goa. So this is the effect, So yeah, let's see how things go. And You see, this is the main road which we go to Verna. So just an offbeat direction from here. So guys, hope you liked the video.
So if you want more such places, more such things, please make sure you're subscribing to our channel.
Yes, and give us your love and
Support.
That's it. What we
That will encourage us
that
to
will
do
encourage us to do
more good videos.
Yes, exactly. And we will keep traveling now. We will see, because I don't get off on weekends a lot these days.
And very soon we are going to explore the northern part of India, maybe the middle part of India.
Yeah, central India maybe. Because my next project.
Arenda, it's suspense.
Yeah, okay, it's suspense. Okay, so I hope we can explore it during it that time, and I'm expecting that I get some time for that. But yes, we'll do our best. Yeah, and we have a we have so much things in mind. We have to go to Leh, Ladakh, and all. Let's see how these things go. I really want to go with Anu and my friends if possible. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. But until then, we are here in southern part of India. We'll explore Goa and other places as much as we can. We'll be also going to Kerala in between before we go to northern India. Yeah.
So one Goa to Kerala trip is also expected.
Yes, for sure. I don't think we have a video on that. No, huh? No.
We don't have enough pictures for our Kerala Goa.
Yeah. So yes, so that will be a video for sure. We promise you that video. Goa to Kerala trip by road. Yeah. So we will explore the coastal belt route, the road trip.
And that is very beautiful, very beautiful.
The sea waves, they touch your roads. You know, it's that beautiful, and surely we'll show you that. Yeah. So hope you like the video.
Till our next video.
Bye from us.
Bye from us.
Bye.
Happier tonight.